Hey everyone, and welcome to this awesome adventure into Finnish. Today, we're learning to count from 1 to 10. It's super easy, and I'll help you. Finnish might sound a little weird at first, but it's really cool to learn. We'll go slow, practice how to say the words, and have fun. Ready to show off your new Finnish skills? Let's do this. Remember, learning takes time, so be patient and enjoy it. Yksi, uksi. Iksi means 1. In Finnish, the number 1 is pronounced uksi. It's a simple yet unique sound that might feel a bit different on your tongue at first. Say uks like you're looking for cookies, then add a little e. Try it. Yksi. Sound weird? That's okay. Learning a new language always comes with its quirks. Imagine you're on a fun adventure, discovering new sounds and words. Finnish sounds different, but you'll get it. Just like any new skill, it takes practice and patience. Listen closely to the sounds and try to mimic them. Yksi is a cool number. It means new starts. Think of it as the beginning of your journey into the Finnish language. Every time you say yksi, you're taking a step forward. You did it. You started counting in Finnish. Yksi ja ainoa. Yksi, yksi. Yksi tarkoittaa yksi. This is a big achievement, and you should be proud of yourself. Sano, yikutin katsoisit keksipurkin jalisa pieni ksi peran. Kokile yksi. Now let's try it in Finnish. Say yi like you're looking into a cookie jar and add a little ksi at the end. Give it a go. Yksi. Kulostako udolta. Say on ihan okay. It might sound strange, but that's perfectly fine. Embrace the uniqueness of the Finnish language. Suomen kielen antaminen on erilaista, muda opit sen kiela. Pronunciation in Finnish is different, but with time and practice, you'll get the hang of it. Keep practicing and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Yksi on hieno numero, se tarkoittaa uusia alkuja. Remember, yksi is a wonderful number, symbolizing new beginnings and fresh starts. Every time you use it, you're embracing a new chapter. Onnistuit aloitit laskamisen suomeksi. You've succeeded, you've started counting in Finnish. Keep going and soon you'll be counting to 10 and beyond. Great job! Kaksi, kaksi. Kaksi means 2. In Finnish, the number 2 is pronounced as kaksi. It's a simple word, but it can be quite fun to say. Let's break it down together. Start with a K sound like you're clearing your throat. This K sound is strong and clear, almost like the beginning of the word kite. Then say aksi, it rhymes with taxi. Notice how the A in aksi is short and sharp, similar to the A in cat. Imagine taking a taxi to practice Finnish. Try it, kaksi. Picture yourself in a bustling city, hailing a taxi and practicing your new Finnish word with the driver. It's a fun way to remember. 2 is better than 1, like 2 best friends or 2 scoops of ice cream. Tuplasti hauskampa. Kaksi, kaksi. Kaksi tarkoittaa kaksi. Think about the joy of sharing moments with a friend or enjoying an extra scoop of your favorite ice cream. That's the essence of kaksi. Aloita, ke anteella kuin iskisit kevyesti, sitinsano aksi. The Finnish language has a rhythmic quality to it, and kaksi is a perfect example. Practice saying it slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed. Kuvitele oravasi taksin harjoitelemaan suomea, kokeile kaksi. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Use every opportunity to say kaksi in your daily life. Kaksi on parempi kuin iksi, kutin kaksi parasta istavaa tai kaksi jatelopaloa. Remember, learning a new language is like adding another scoop of joy to your life. So embrace the fun and keep practicing kaksi. Kolme, kolme. Kolme means 3. Say kol like bowl and me like you're not feeling well. Say it with me, kolme. 3 is a magic number like 3 wishes. Nelja, nelje. Nelja means 4. Say nel like Nell from tunnel. Then add ye, it rhymes with day. Practice nelja. 4 is like the 4 seasons. Nelja riemua. Nelja, nelja. Nelja tarkoittaa nelja. Sano nel kutin tunneli sanasta nel. Sitinlisa ja se rima na kansa. Harjoitele nelja. Nelja on kuin nelja vuodenaika. Viisi, viisi. Viisi means 5. Say V like the beginning of very. Then say C like I see you. High five. Viisi. We have 5 senses. Ilavitoset. Viisi, viisi. Viisi tarkoittaa viisi. Sano vi kutin sanan visas alku. Sitin sano si kutin sina. Ilavitoset. Viisi. Mina on viisi aistia. Kuusi, kuusi. Kuusi means 6. Say ku like a pigeon. Then say si like you're showing someone something cool. Say it, kuusi. Think of a honeycomb with 6 sides. Saitsaman, sateseman. Saitsaman means 7. It has 3 parts. Say sate like gate, then whisper se, then say man like a superhero. Try it, Saitsaman. 7 is like the 7 colors of the rainbow. On a numero Saitsaman. Saitsaman, Saitsaman. Saitsaman tarkoita Saitsaman. Sina on kolme osa. Sano sate kuten seiti. Sitin quiskase. Sitin sano man kuten super sankari. Kokeli Saitsaman. Saitsaman on quinsatin karan Saitsaman varia. Kadexan, kadexan. Kadexan means 8. Say ka like car really fast. Then say dex like the beginning of dexterity. Then a soft an, kadexan. An octopus has 8 legs. Kadexan on matava. Kadexan kadexan. Kadexan tarkoita kadexan. Sano ka kutin auto todela nopiasti. Sitin sano dek kutin sanan dekuda alku. Sitin pehmia san. Kadexan, mustakalala on kadexan jalka. Yudexan, udexan. Yudexan means 9. Say a long u, then dex like before and a soft an. Yudexan, a cat has 9 lives. Yudexan on jumalainen. Yudexan, yadexan. Yudexan tarkoita yudexan. Sano pitka yi. Sitin dek kutin askin. Japemia san. Yudexan, kasala on yudexan henkia. Kiminen, kimmen en. Kiminen means 10. Say kim like the name. Say men like men at work, but shorter. Then a soft n. Kiminen. 10 is a perfect score. Kiminen kiminesta. Kiminen kiminen. Kiminen tarkoita kiminen. Sano kim kutin nimi. Sano mi kutin miahet toasa. Mudala yemen. Sidin pemia nen. Kiminen on tedeliset pistit. Congratulations! You've made it this far, and that's a fantastic achievement. Learning a new language is never easy, but you've shown great dedication and effort. You learned to count to 10 in Finnish. Let's review. Yiksi, uksi, kaksi, kaksi, kolmi, kolme, nelja, neljai, viisi, viisi, kuusi, kuusi, saitseman, sateseman, kadeksan, kadeksan, yudeksan, udeksan, kiminen, kimminen. Each number represents a step forward in your journey to mastering Finnish. Keep practicing and have fun. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these numbers in your daily life, the more natural they will become. Try counting objects around you, like books, steps, or even the stars in the sky. Onea matkan, good luck on your journey. Numeroiden kertaus, onitalut, opit laskaman kiminin suomeksi, kertoksen voksi iksi yiksi, kaksi, kaksi, kolme, kolmi, nelja, nelja, viisi, viisi, kuusi, kuusi, saitseman, saitseman, kadeksan, kadeksan, yudeksan, yudeksan, kimmenen, kimminen. Each number is a building block, helping you to construct more complex sentences and understand the world around you in Finnish. Jatka harjoitelua japita hauska. Onea matkan. Keep up the great work, and don't forget to enjoy the process. Learning a new language opens up a world of opportunities and connections. Good luck on your journey. Subscribe to this channel for more such language learning tips.